really has to be in. Either you learn how to operate a smartphone, or you begin without a phone. So now it's not an issue of being young to get into skills. It is an issue of fitting in community. It will be an issue of fitting in what? In the community. Under digital services in our roadmap, government is computerizing all services. There is now e-passport. You have heard of e-government. That's the one now. You know, we have e-passport, e-taxes, e-procurement, e-everything. You can now go to fill forms for passport because you will not even download them. Nobody will give you receive them. When you are applying for a passport, you have to go to get your computer, fill the form, send it. Electronically. They only invite you for an interview.
First of all, we are going to improve accessibility, and we are also going to improve on affordability. That's why we are expanding the national backbone so that internet can be accessed everywhere in this country. And the experts in the digital world say the more people hook on the internet, the cheaper it will become. And so one of our targets is to ensure internet is everywhere. We now have money to expand our national backbone. We also have money for the last mile to ensure internet reaches every parish in this country, because the Parish Development Model Management Information System works on internet. But we are also aware that if we can reach everywhere and people start using internet, then the rates will drop by themselves. We recently dropped government internet from $70 per megabyte per second to 35. But in the next 5 years, we want to have reached $5 per megabyte per second. So one of the strategies is to expand the network so that more people come on the net, and that one we are going to.
So on the point we have been on in this seminar, digital transformation and the Uganda People's Association, Uganda Limited, they have told us that we are going digital. And this we can see in various sectors. Even in the church, when it comes to preaching on radio, when one is in America or Germany, we can still give a homilies through YouTube, and that's digital. We can also give it through radio or television, that's digital. Even those who are listening to me now, you didn't stay with me physically, all that is digital. And even we have to use the digital means when it comes to the church, because in a way, if we only stay in one church preaching, or in two churches, we can say maximum of 3 masses or 3 services. Those are roughly 3 churches. But if you talk through YouTube or radio or TV, you address so many people. So that is one aspect of the digital transformation.
I'm here to tell people that digital transformation has come. The world is going digital, and everybody has to embrace digital activities. Like the government of Uganda is saying, we have to go digital. They launched the digital Uganda Digital Roadmap, and that is to go up to around 2028. What is in that roadmap? They want people to embrace so many things. Take an example like Momo Pay. Momo Pay is there, it's very free when we're trying to connect and pay people. 0 charges, but people don't embrace this. People don't even want to know. They think as if this is also theft, all right? Take an example when we talk about revenue. Here they just say, please pay online. But people have smartphones, but they can't think of paying online. He thinks of getting a border, going to the offices and not spending money, that kind of stuff, all right? So, as Lucky People's Association, we are there to train people to make sure that they get to know about cyber security, blockchain technology, all right? And then how can you really come out of poverty. That is in line with embracing these digital activities. Because when you embrace payments online, like this government, like revenue, these other taxes, it also helps the government of Uganda to get more money, by the way, because they have really seen that digital transformation, when people use digital activities, they also earn something. Time is going to come, even churches, even some churches have started, they pay these offertories using digital, they pay them digital. What does that mean? When you pay, of course, they chop something from you, and that goes to the government, that goes to, that's how digital is actually helping the whole world.